Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sleep gadgets that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Hatch Restore 2. Waking up to a jarring alarm propels you out of bed with a cortisol jolt, but it is a stressful way to start the day. You can always use your phone as a bedside alarm clock, but the best sunrise alarm clocks wake you more gently, emulating the sun by emitting light that gradually brightens your room. The Hatch Restore 2 also offers a wind-down routine, with a sunset, soothing music, and sleep sounds. Sticking to a routine has proved the most effective way to combat my insomnia. Our customized schedule gives us half an hour of reading light, a 20-minute sunset with soothing music, and rain sounds through the night. We also set a sunrise alarm with tweeting birds. It helps us get to sleep and is a pleasant way to wake up. This second version replaces the original in our guide, featuring a more stylish fabric finish with improved controls that include large, physical buttons on top. The depth of customization options is excellent, and there's a wide choice of sounds, sleep stories, and meditations. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Philips Hue Go Smart Portable Table Lamp. Whether you like to wind down by reading in bed, or you have to get up during the night, a good bedside lamp is essential. The svelte Philips Hue Go portable table lamp has several clever features that make it ideal for the nightstand. It comes with a circular wireless charging stand and can be detached and carried around. It offers up to 48 hours of light, and a full charge takes around 4 hours. You can set the brightness, color, and warmth, or choose a scene in the Hue app. You can also schedule it to fade on or off. It's great for bedtime reading or winding down, as you can set a warm, low-level light. A subtle, portable light is also ideal if you need to get up and don't want to wake your partner. Compact and robust, the Philips Hue Go portable table lamp has an IP54 rating, so you can even take it outside. Press the physical button on top to cycle through colors and dynamic scenes, or long press to turn it off. With a classic lamp silhouette and a diffuser on the bottom, it blends in anywhere and never dazzles you. At number 3, we have the Soundcore Sleep 820 Earbuds by Anker. Whether you have a busy road outside, inconsiderate neighbors, or a snoring partner, earbuds can block out the sound and help you relax with a podcast or white noise. Anker's Soundcore Sleep 820 Bluetooth earbuds come with a wide range of soft silicone tips and wings to enable you to get the snug fit necessary to block out environmental noise, which is vital because there's no active noise cancellation. You can use them like regular Bluetooth earbuds to stream podcasts or music from your phone, or dive into the sleep sound library in the Soundcore app, where you can layer sounds to find a mix that works for you. These relatively affordable earbuds offer decent battery life with a handy case to recharge. They are very light and comfortable, stay in through the night, and you can even sleep on your side without them bothering you too much. They don't completely block sound. I dislike the touch controls, and the sleep tracking is inaccurate, but for audio streaming in bed, these earbuds do the job. At number 2, we have the breathing and meditation device, Instant Stress Relief. It is well established that breathing exercises can reduce stress, help us fall asleep, and combat insomnia. Many devices and apps extol the virtues of breath work and guide you through various breathing exercises. Having tried a few, I am hesitant to recommend them because you can learn breathing techniques and get all the benefits without an expensive device or app. That said, if you find it difficult to control your breathing without guidance, Moonbird could be for you. You hold the Moonbird in your hand with your thumb on the sensor, and it tracks your heart rate and your heart rate variability, with data recorded in graphs in the mobile app. The Moonbird supports various breathing exercises and gently expands and contracts, prompting you to match your breaths. It's intuitive, featuring exercises to balance your breathing, curb anxiety, and get to sleep. And finally, at number 1, we have the Amazon Echo Alexa speaker. The 4th generation Amazon Echo is an excellent smart speaker that works well as an alarm clock and can serve up sleep stories, soothing music, or soundscapes to send you off. If you subscribe to Audible, there are bedtime stories. Some people may prefer the Echo Dot with clock as a bedside device, but the sound quality isn't as good, and having a clock display is not recommended for insomniacs, as it tends to make you anxious about how few hours you have left to fall asleep. Folks with privacy concerns likely won't be happy with an internet-connected microphone in their bedroom. We have also occasionally had Alexa fail to understand what we asked for and play something completely different, which is not conducive to a restful atmosphere. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.